सो यहाँ पे एक ट्रिकी प्रॉब्लम है कि √2 - 1 का होल टू द पावर 12 व्हाट विल बी द आंसर. ठीक है, तो let's see. This is the problem. So one solution can be we expand the entire term to 12 times and we multiply one by one to each time. Like we suppose √2 - 1 is equal to x. So we square it and we get a value of 3 minus 2 √2. But if when we continue like this will not be much rewarding. So what will our next approach? The next approach is we consider √2 - 1 as x and we take the square root as a isolation. So x plus 1 is equal to √2. So we square the left side term, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2. So x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 2. Hence x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we get one equation, x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. Now we can go x to the power 4, x to the power 8 similarly. So that's what we will do now. So x to the x raised to 4 will be 1 minus 2x to the raised to whole square. 1 plus 4x minus 4x. But what we see here, this is x square term is here. And we already know that x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we'll put this value 4 x square is equal to 1 minus 2x and hence we will get 5 minus 12x. So we got x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. We got x to the raised to 4 is equal to 5 minus 12x. Now we'll again square this term x raised to 4. So if you square this term, we'll get x raised to 8 is equal to 5 minus 12x whole raised to 2 is equal to 25 plus 144x square minus 120x. Now again we're getting a x square term. So we'll again put 1 minus 2x here and then we will get 169 minus 408x. This will be x raised to 8. Now we have x raised to 4, we have x raised to 8. So if we multiply these two terms, we will get x raised to 12. And hence we are multiplying these two terms. Finally, we will get 5741 minus 13860x. So this is the value. But still, what is x? The value of x is √2 - 1. So we will substitute this term right here. So once we substitute, we are getting 19601 minus 13860 √2. This will be the value. But to verify this, I put this value in the calculator. And what I'm getting is √2 - 1 raised to 12 is equal to 0.000255, something like this. So again I put the second term in the equation and we're getting the same term. Hence it is verified that the answer is correct. Thank you.